We're going to do the Hobbiton tour.
Drinks kasi, dalawa kami.
That's a real fire. Kiora! Kiora!
There we go.
They will love it forever.
Bago yon.
Naghahanap ng pag-ibig.
Sobrang saya nitong tour na to kahit umuulan.
What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we are here in New Zealand.
Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Good morning, mga chabibis!
We are still in Auckland, New Zealand.
Yeah, so today may tour tayo kaya sobrang aga namin.
Dilim pa, oh.
Makikita nyo ang dilim pa. Saan tayo pupunta, Chabi Eka?
We're going to do the Hobbiton tour.
Yay! And Rotorua.
Yes.
So, with side trip to Rotorua and yung mga nakalimutan ko ng pangalan nun.
So, super excited kami. Ako bilang Lord of the Rings, di naman sobrang fan, but I super love Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Tara na!
You have your toilet and coffee break. So we stopped at a coffee shop here in Khao Pier.
Lots of volcanoes were erupting. The Russians came here in the 1820s. England holds the largest amount of Maori artifacts. He got given lots of gifts by royalty. So this is the Hobbit Centre. Bus will leave just here on the left-hand side, and I will bring you down here and show you where everything is. You will need a ticket to get on the bus. I will get your tickets.
Medyo maulan lang, guys, but we're still gonna have fun, promise. So we'll go first into the gift shop kasi 9 o'clock pa yung tour namin. Sobrang daming merch, of course. They have shirts, bags, books, board games. Oh my god. Ang saya ng mga merch.
Then we will come on somewhere, sorry? Yeah? Cool. Sounds cool.
You even have books here. They even have onesies. So this is where the tour departs from. 9 o'clock yun sa amin. We got the tickets and we're just waiting for our time. 9 o'clock yung tour namin.
Tour namin. So yung bus, sabi ni Jeff, every 10 minutes daw. Pero ngayon, since di naman peak days or peak season, so hindi namin alam. Pero mas kukunti tao ngayon.
Morning, welcome to Hobbiton.
Thank you.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Hobbiton. Are we all excited to go?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Sounds like many happy hobbies behind. My name is Zara, your tour guide today. I will lead your journey of Hobbiton.
So if you come here na maulan like us, they do have umbrellas that you can borrow. So we're gonna start the tour. So sa start ng tour, there's already a toilet. Sabi ng guide, mag-CR na kasi 1 hour and a half walang toilet. So, nag-start na yung tour, mga chabibis. Maulan talaga. But when we booked this, hindi pa siya maulan.
Alright, if you are ready, it's story time! From that direction and with a hobbit.
Mga chabibis, dapat lang careful kasi uneven yung dadaanan and medyo maputik.
Pero at least yung mga bato-bato.
Pero ang saya. So madami talaga siyang uphill and medyo madulas. Ang ganda ng details, guys. Even yung mga sampayan. Ayan. Yung mga houses. Ayan. Tapos ang dami-daming sheep. So dagdag sa ganda ng background. Sobrang ganda. So dito banda, nag-stop sila para mag-picture sa guide na kumukuha ng photos. Currently, if you can see, may construction. Sabi ng tour guide namin, they're making it so that it can be a wedding destination place. So, lalagyan nila ng parang space there so people can have their wedding here. Oh my gosh! So happy. That's a real fire. Sobrang interactive. This part, pwedeng galawin talaga lahat. Ayan o. May room dyan. Pwede pumasok. Toilet. That's the toilet.
Grabe na. Pasok tayo sa kabila.
Oo.
Sa piling.
Nakakatuwa. Higa ka. Yes. Okay, tara na. Sobrang interactive, guys. Pwedeng galawin. May pati mga drawers. Pwedeng buksan. Pero sobrang nakakatuwa. Kitchen. Ang saya. Pantry.
Wanna take video din.
Yung kitchen nila. We will cook this pie. I cooked this pie. Ang saya. Anong ulam?
Adobo.
Adobo?
na may-
Adobong habit?
Oo. Adobong may apple sa pear.
Saka kumukulo na yung ano mo.
Saka adobo pie.
Adobo pie.
Ayun, may plancha dito mamaya. Mamalansya ako. Na-ready ko na.
Ang saya.
Oh, ito na yung kare-kare bread natin. Kare-kare. Saka bopis.
Ang saya. Uy, kumukulo na yung niluluto mo. Kain na? May naantay ka?
Bisita.
May bisita ka?
Megastar.
Mama Shawi, kain na tayo.
Mashawi, let's go. Kain na tayo. Meron tayong estofado.
Favorite niya lengua.
Nasaan yung lengua?
Niluluto,
Facunda. Nasaan yung lengua?
niluluto pa daw ni Chef RV.
Nasaan ang lengua? Facunda.
Andito naman tayo sa study. Dear Diary.
Dear Ate Charot,
Harap.
kami po ngayon ay nasa New Zealand. naghahanap ng pag-ibig. Wagas na pag-ibig. Mukhang wala kaming makikitang pag-ibig. Mas marami pa ang chef ang tao kaysa sa tao.
Ano yan?
Well,
Akit.
kuha tayong tubig ng na ako.
Nakapagod tong tour na to. Okay na.
Oh, mag-rest ka na.
Ay, muulan na naman.
Ay, may payong dito.
Sobrang saya nitong tour na to. Kahit umuulan, as in I swear, we're so happy.
Hindi masisira ng ulan. Ang saya na nararamdaman ng mga puso namin. Kanina parang medyo ano na ako kasi sayang eh. Pero hindi, maganda pa rin kahit na ulan. Medyo madulas lang. Pero may mga bato-bato naman yung ano.
Yung path.
Oo, yung mga apakan. So, nalesen yung pagkadulas ng dadaanan.
Yeah. Pero guys, nung binok ko talaga to, hindi siya maulan doon sa calendar. So, huwag kayo masyadong maniniwala sa AccuWeather.
Pero sa lahat ng days na nandito kami, ito lang yung maulan.
Yeah.
Bukas sanin na ulit. Hanggang sa umuwi kami. So, ang swerte-swerte namin. Ngayon pa talaga umulan.
Kung kailan sobrang outdoor.
Kung kailan outdoor yung activity namin.
Pero ang ganda talaga dito. Tapos on the way here, sobrang ganda din ng mga rolling hills. So, may mga baka, may mga sheep. May baka naman sa atin, pero parang mas maganda yung baka
ng
nila.
buffalo, mga buffalo nila, saka ano, mga deer. Nag-start na daw sila mag-breed ng deer. Diyos ko, halos mabalilig namin, karang kaliwa yung tingin. Kasi parang ano talaga, a piece of heaven on earth. Mga chabibis, North Island pa lang to. Wala pa kami sa South Island. So abangan ang paggagala ng mga Chab Explorers sa South Island.
We're here at the Green Dragon. We can get drinks here. May isang complimentary. They have alcoholic and I also have non-alcoholic. Tapos pagdating dito, may CR din. So, they're selling muffins here. Yung drink lang yung complimentary. We got a muffin for $5. So, yung non-alcoholic nila is ginger beer. So, yung tour nag-end dito sa Green Dragon kung saan may libre kaming drinks.
Yeah, so definitely.
Actually, one lang pala.
Oo. Drinks kasi dalawa kami. So, non-alcoholic lang yung kinuha namin. Pero may choice kayo ng alcoholic. So, tatlo yung klase ng beers. Ang natandaan ko lang yung apple cider beer. So, 4.5 to something % siya. So, pinakamababa yung 4.5%. So, ang sabi ng tour guide namin and nung pag hindi kayo mukhang 18 years old, hihingan kayo ng ID.
So, dapat may ID kayong dala.
Oo, dapat may ID kayo na passport. Lagi naman natin dala yung passport natin kasi kailangan yan. So, ayun. Sobrang saya dito, pero patapos na yung tour.
Enjoy na enjoy talaga kami. Kahit hindi ka Lord of the Rings fan, may enjoy mo tong tour na to.
Yes, and yung simula lang ng tour, medyo lakad paakyat. So, kung meron kayong mobility issues, get ready.
Medyo mahirap lang siya.
Medyo mahirap siya kasi may part na ang layo ng inakyat namin pataas. So, alam nyo, mga tita nyo kailangan ng pahinga. So, medyo naiwan kami ng konti lang naman.
Oh, and we got this from Klook. So, pwede nyo siyang i-book doon. And if you also want to get the discount, you can book yours on Klook and use our promo code.
Chab Explorers Klook.
And ganda talaga nito.
Super. Iba yung charm niya, kahit maulan or iba yung ganda niya. So, iba din siguro pag ibang season. Yan. So,
Wow, is that free?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you. We got the mug.
This being said, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Now with enthusiasm. Kia ora.
Kia ora!
There we go.
So, nasan tayo? Shop Tony?
Sa Tepua, tinuruan kami ng isang native language, which is yung greeting nila. It's Kia ora! Kia ora.
So, this is a geothermal valley. And they're gonna also teach us about their culture, ng mga Maori. So, kumbaga sa Japan, para siyang Beppu. Same siya ng... Ayan. Ang laki ng map.
Ki tēnei whare, ko te pui ana mai ki tēnei whenua, a ko te whakarewarewatanga o te ope tāua wahi ao, in short waka. Ko au, ko tēnei kairahi mo tēnei rā, kia ora ko manaia tōku ingoa, kei te kairahi mo tēnei rā. In simple translation, all I really said, folks, was hi. Welcome to New Zealand, of course. Welcome to Rotorua, folks. Welcome to Te Puia, this beautiful house, this home to many, and this beautiful land, as we can see. If you happen to forget my name, Manaia it is, feel free to call me Handsome or Your Highness.
So, our first stop is the Kiwi Conservation Center. We're gonna see kiwis.
We have for our eyesight.
So, may nakita kaming tatlong kiwis.
Isang male, female, and baby.
Pero bawal kasi mag-film doon sa loob. Tapos nocturnal din sila sa madilim. Pero sobrang cool.
Yeah, so territorial daw yung mga kiwis.
But if they find their mate, they stick with their mate din.
Yes, so they will love it forever. 'Di ba? Pero pag merong dalawang kiwi sa isang enclosure, magpapatayan sila.
Na hindi magkakilala.
Hindi magkakilala. Magpapatayan sila.
Ayun
There
lang.
you go. Saka parang lonely ano sila?
Loner.
Loner, 'yon.
Loner sila na animal. So there. Sayang di namin mapakita.
If you were to bathe in this mud pool, team, it would help with arthritis, things like sciatica, basically aches and pains. Specifically in this mud pool, those pains are gone forever. She gets it, you die.
Wow. Ayan, ang ganda dito guys. Pero yung amoy, hindi masaya. Kasi amoy sulfur, but it's really nice. Ah!
Grabe mga chubibis, amoy ano dito. Poo.
Bago yon.
Kasi sulfur.
Ang taas!
We're entering the Museum Maui Arts and Craft Institute. So no food or drink past this point.
These are the materials that they use. Stones. Those are whalebone. Meron silang carving school.
More about the school.
They have so much materials that they use. Next naman, we go to the weaving school. Ito yung carving kanina. Ito yung weaving.
As a team, pew pew.
Pew pew.
There we go. Translation. Sway, sway. whānau ngā whakairo rākau o Aotearoa, the National Wood Carving School.
And then mga chabibis sa dulo ng tour, you end up in the Ahua Gallery. So meron silang stone carving, wood carving, and weaving.
Weaving. Kung ako papipiliin mga chalibis, gusto ko yung carving. Why? Wala, gusto ko lang.
Ako cooking na lang.
Arete arohae, arete aroha, takutingi nana. Hey.
So this is the gallery.
Similar din sa mga bags natin.
Yan yung mga nagawa nila sa school, arts and crafts school. Exit ka na lang, minura ka pa. May souvenir shop at the end of the tour. Ang ganito kadami na keychain, $18. So, ang dami niyang stuff, mga bags, wallets, may box, socks, shirts, hoodies, caps, iba-ibang mga items. This is Lake Rotorua. And there are a lot of birds, ducks, geese. Dito kami magdi-dinner sa Mukbang Barbecue Buffet. Magmumukbang kami.
Mukbang.
Kasi guys, hindi kami nakapag-lunch.
Yes, crackers lang yung nilunch namin. Kaya yung mga, ano ko, mga alaga ko sa tiyan ko nagwawala na.
Kasi
Nagsusuntungan na.
walang time for lunch dun sa tour namin. Dapat may baon, pero hindi naman kasi naka-indicate dun sa details. So, hindi kami, pero may baon kami. Pero snacks lang.
Crackers.
Had we known, nagdala kami ng mas heavy like sandwich or something. Pero may cheese and crackers kami.
So, imagine, we had breakfast at 5 a.m. Lunch crackers. Diyos ko, nung pecha na, alas 7 na.
Meron namang cafe or restaurant doon sa Tepuya, pero matagal yung order. We only had 25 minutes.
Less than pa nga eh.
Baka
Hanggang
less,
mga
oo
20
eh.
minutes lang.
Dadating na yung
Sundo
sundo
na.
namin.
So, wala talaga. Kami nakakain.
And that's our very, very long day.
Yes.
Grabe, nag-start yung araw namin 4 a.m. And anong oras na? 8 o'clock na. Pero sobrang saya, no?
Super. So, dream lang namin na makita yung set ng The Lord of the Rings. And finally, nakita na namin siya.
Yes.
And sobrang ganda. Parang a piece of heaven on earth.
Yeah, kahit umuulan, tuwang-tuwa pa din kami.
Okay, mag-alala. Hindi naman ganun kaputik. Pero may mga uphill talaga na part ng tour na aakyat talaga. So,
Yeah.
kung may mobility issues kayo, medyo mahihirapan. Pero hindi nila advise kung meron. Kasi hindi siya wheelchair accessible.
Tapos yung Tepuya after, sobrang ganda din niya kasi yung geological valley and then yung
Arts and crafts.
yeah, yung
and
culture,
school.
yung culture nila, ang ganda-ganda talaga, nakakatuwa. The only thing is hindi kami nakapag-lunch. Crackers lang yung kinain namin. Walang kanin.
And then bumawi kami ngayong dinner. So yun. Pero hindi naman yun nakasira sa
Yes.
whole experience ng tour namin.
Tsaka
Ayun nga lang sobrang aga.
Tsaka ang bait din kasi nung nung tour guide namin, and dami niyang information, dami niyang kwento.
Yes. So
So we hope you enjoyed this video because we really enjoyed making it.
if you like this video, you can follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe!
hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!